In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Telegram private group video on PC. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable process for saving a video you have access to right from your browser. As always, only download content you own or have explicit permission to save, and follow your local laws and the platform's terms. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. We'll use the Chrome Web Store to get a tool that makes downloading straightforward. In the address bar, type Chrome Web Store and open the official store page. This is where you can safely find and install browser extensions. Once you're in the store, use the search box at the top to look for Telegram Video Downloader. You'll see several options. Choose an extension with good ratings, plenty of recent reviews, and a clear privacy policy. That combination is a good sign the tool is reliable and actively maintained. Open the extensions page, skim the overview to confirm it supports Telegram, and check the screenshots so you know what the interface looks like. Next, install the extension. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Chrome will download it and show a confirmation pop-up. To keep it handy, click the puzzle piece icon at the top right of Chrome. Find the new extension in the list and click the pin icon. Now it will appear in your toolbar for quick access. If the extension asks for permissions, read them carefully and make sure they match its purpose of detecting and downloading media you already can view. Now head to your Telegram chat that contains the video you want. It's easiest to do this in Telegram Web inside Chrome so the extension can detect the media. Open the chat, scroll to the specific video, and let it load on screen. When you can play the video normally, click the extensions icon in your toolbar. Most downloaders will scan the page and show the available video file. Select the video from the list, choose the quality if there are options, and click Download. Chrome will either save it automatically to your default Downloads folder or ask where you want to store it. If nothing appears, try pausing and playing the video once, or refresh the page and click the extension again. That's it. You searched the Chrome Web Store, installed and pinned a reputable Telegram video downloader, opened your Telegram chat in the browser, and used the extension to save the video to your PC. If you found this helpful, remember to keep your tools updated and always respect creators' rights and group rules when saving content.